Hey, Chris here. Got another bead. This, when I started turning it, I actually thought it was like a blue-black, but it turned out to be a dark forest green, pearlish. So it's black, and then when you rotate it, it turns to this green. This is 1 inch long by 3/4 wide. It can be used for zipper pulls, etc. You know, EDC bracelets. This looks good on this type of 550 cord here. The green and the tan or the camouflage would look awesome. Maybe even just a black. Nah, I think the contrasting, probably like a nice, like this green here, the camouflage type. That would be awesome. So share with your friends, like, subscribe, and all that stuff, and have a wonderful day.